Proton VPN versus NordVPN. Which one should you pick if you're deciding between the best overall or the best premium features? In this video, we're diving into both VPNs to give you the inside scoop, and stick around till the end for a recommendation that might surprise you. Let's kick things off with Proton VPN, a service that's built with privacy and security in mind. It's one of the most popular names when it comes to free VPNs, but how does it compare to NordVPN in the premium features department? Well, Proton VPN offers strong encryption, a no-logs policy, and unique privacy features like Secure Core, which routes your traffic through multiple servers to add extra protection. Proton VPN is also based in Switzerland, which has some of the best privacy laws in the world. Next thing, speed. When it comes to speeds, Proton VPN isn't exactly the fastest VPN on the market, especially if you're using their free plan, where you're limited to just a few servers and slower speeds. Even on the premium plan, while it's decent, it can still struggle to keep up with NordVPN speeds, which brings us to the fourth thing, NordVPN's ultra-fast performance. NordVPN has optimized servers for streaming, torrenting, and gaming, providing a much smoother experience for users who need consistent, fast connections. It's a better choice if speed is your priority, especially for those with high bandwidth needs. Now, let's talk security. Both Proton VPN and NordVPN offer military-grade encryption, kill switches, and DNS leak protection, but Proton VPN really shines when it comes to its transparency. With their open-source apps and clear audits, you know exactly what you're getting. NordVPN has also undergone third-party audits to ensure it's living up to its claims, but Proton VPN's commitment to transparency could be a big deciding factor for privacy-conscious users. Moving on to the user experience, Proton VPN is intuitive enough, but doesn't offer as many customization options as NordVPN. The interface on NordVPN is sleek, with easy-to-use features, a map for choosing servers, and plenty of settings for those who want to dive deep into customization. It's perfect for both beginners and more advanced users who want to tweak settings. The sixth thing to note is the pricing. Proton VPN offers a free plan, which is a major plus if you're looking for a solid VPN without breaking the bank. But their premium plans can get pricey, especially if you're looking to use their most advanced features like Secure Core or dedicated IPs. On the other hand, NordVPN's pricing is more consistent, with regular discounts that make it a great deal for what you're getting, especially when you consider the speed and server options they provide. And lastly, customer support. NordVPN has 24/7 live chat support, which is extremely useful if you run into any issues, while Proton VPN support can be slower, especially with their free plan. If you're someone who values quick, reliable support, NordVPN might be the better option here. Now, all that said, both Proton VPN and NordVPN are solid choices. They have their strengths. Proton VPN is amazing for privacy-conscious users, and NordVPN wins when it comes to speed, features, and overall performance. But after trying both myself, if you're looking for the best of both worlds, a VPN that's fast, feature-rich, and offers solid privacy, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description for an exclusive free trial that I've secured just for you. Through this link, you'll get the best trial and benefits that aren't available anywhere else.